What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be reviewing my Winchester multi-tool knife. Comes with a corkscrew, comes with a mini nail filer sort of thing, another nail filer right here. They are kind of hard to open. Phillips screwdriver, mini knife, and there's the nail filer, which is kind of hard to open right now. But once again, this is made by Winchester. You got decent sized knife on the other side. You got a mini saw. You've also got bottle opener, scissors, another smaller saw, which the blades are all dull, really no purpose for it, and another bottle opener. Right there, that's more like a can opener. So yeah, that's the Winchester multi-tool. Subscribe, rate, and comment.